Hey guys, hey, welcome back to the channel here. Hey, we got this little building done. I got some time-lapse video of this thing, as you see in the background. I'll show you guys a little bit on the inside as well. Let me show you guys a little bit how we build them. So we go 8 foot on center, just pretty typical. Then we go every 4 for the trusses. And this one's got the building wrap and everything on the roof as well. And then, yeah, we just put a bunch of bracing in. Show you a little bit closer here. So we put those angles on going up there every 8 foot or so, and then those braces coming in from the wall up to pretty much the peak, about every 8-10 feet along the wall there as well. So yeah, we build them up. We put our posts about 4 or 5 foot in the ground as well.